Hospitals across the country are now grappling with a dangerous and growing shortage of critical drugs. A new study concludes that more than 200 drugs are in short supply, and as Ron Claiborne reports, more lives are at risk as those drug stockpiles go down.
The shortage of pharmaceutical medicine is now so bad it is a national healthcare crisis.
I think it's a crisis when hospitals every day have to sort through which medications they can provide to their patients.
Last year, there was a record shortage of 211 medications. This year is on pace to be even worse. 89 new drugs in short supply in just the first 3 months. ABC News' medical correspondent Dr. Richard Besser first reported on this crisis last December.
What type of drugs are you seeing in short supply?
Drugs that are needed for patients undergoing surgery, emergency medicine drugs.
The ever-expanding list of scarce medicines now includes everything from Ritalin to treat hyperactive children to medications used in chemotherapy for cancer patients. Last year, cancer patient Mark McKee was being treated with a drug called doxorubicin. Then suddenly, there was none.
The hospital actually called us on a Sunday night and said, well, don't come in, we might not have the drug.
A recent survey found at least 1,000 medication errors due to the shortages.
Some of those were near misses, but some were also deaths.
Why the shortages? Some drug makers have scaled back production of less profitable generics. Others had manufacturing problems that forced them to shut down. There are now bills in Congress to require drug makers to tell the government when they're about to cut back production, to allow other companies to ramp up to fill the need, so patients won't be left without the medicine they desperately need. Ron Claiborne, ABC News, New York.